Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good, they're usually under the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research time for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Lapidus. Lapidus and Jack Bogart, these two are sister companies from Paris, France, and I think for my taste, for my age, for my experience, they are the two best perfume houses from Paris, from France, especially for the price. The ratio for what you pay and what you get with them is always very high. They are very good performers, and they are very accessible, they are very reasonable, and they are very affordable in terms of prices. So I unboxed and reviewed many of their fragrances before, at least about 20 of them, and each of them impressed me, especially for the price. This one in particular called this one is Oud Blanc by Lapidus, is Eau de Parfum 100 ml. Came out in 2014. It is aimed at unisex, and let's see how it goes. As always, the presentation is very nice, and this beauty you can find it in United Kingdom under £30. For that price, this is very, let's see how it goes anyway. So but before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons, please. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your comments, thank you for your sharing this video with others, thank you for your subscription. By the way, if subscription is free, more than 85% of people who watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you do that, it will help a lot. I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much. If you want to invite me to a coffee, you could do that as well. I'll leave in the link how you can do that. As always, thank you from my bottom of my heart. Thank you, and let's go. So let's do the unboxing. I bought this on eBay. The seller said they opened it, but they basically didn't want it anymore, and I bought it. So it doesn't have plastic on it, which is okay by me. All right. Anyway, so come on, tell that this was over there. Okay, very nice looking bottle, all white with a gold trimming, gold cap. It says Lapidus Oud Blanc, and yeah, the cap is, yeah, it's metal and it's got a weight to it, and the atomizer is gold and is modern. And here we go, let's see the atomizer. Not bad, it's not the best, but it does the job. It's okay. Anyway, woo, it's filling the room. Oh my god, it's very strong. As always with Lapidus and Jack Bogart, these two make you know, nuclear and very strong fragrances, and this one is just filling the room right now. Woo. Okay, let's go. First impression. Here we go. Woo. So the first thing that hits me is the rose. It's a big rose in here. So you need to like your rose first and foremost. The rose in here is sweet, is on the medium side. It's not too jammy, but it's not bright, and it's not super happy either. It is on the pink side of rose, or maybe let's go off towards white rose as well. So the coloring is quite appropriate here. It is on the white side of, maybe between white and pink rose. Ooh, after the rose is the biggest player is saffron. Saffron is huge in here. It's a very big saffron, and mixing it very spicy. So it's like a spicy rose right now. And also the third biggest player is vanilla. I'm getting a big vanilla in here, and the vanilla here making it quite on the gourmand side. So it's quite delicious, it's quite sweet. It's rose, it's like a rose jam or rose ice cream. It's very deliciously done. It's very well done. It's quite well blended. When it opened beautifully. No harshness, no chemical, no any of those things, and for the price under £30, so far amazing. Little bit of oud, as it says Oud Blanc in the background, but the oud in here is very clean oud. Is catered towards Western noses and Western taste. So if you are worried about oud, don't worry about it. Here the oud is very safe, is very friendly, is very palatable, is not funky, is not challenging in any way you shape. So it's very safe oud, but right now in the background I don't get that much of it, just a hint of it right now, just giving it a little bit of resin feel, and also making it woody more rather than oudy. Let's put white floral in here to lift the composition and make everything work together well. I'm getting a little bit of jasmine, maybe a little bit of carnation in here. No, sorry, not carnation. A little bit of lily of the valley as well, to give it a little bit of powderiness, because it's only on the powdery side, a little bit, not too much. The powderiness is minimalistic, okay, but you can detect it, you can smell it as well. Musky, but the musk is not one of the biggest player, but it is there. It's quite musky, and the musk again is very clean, is very palatable, is very friendly musk, and tiny bit of earthiness coming from mainly probably patchouli in here. So I get some patchouli, some chocolatey, some little bit of nutty feel as well. Maybe there's tonka bean in here, because I get a little bit of nuttiness as well. Goodness me, it's very delicious. It's gourmand, okay? So you need to like your gourmand fragrances first and foremost. Second, you need to like your rose, because it's a massive on the rose. The biggest player by far first is the rose. Second is the saffron, which is making it spicy and warm. And I did take a little bit of cinnamon as well in here to give it a little bit more dimension. After that is the vanilla. Vanilla by far the biggest player after the rose and the saffron, and is making it very smooth. The vanilla here is very well done, is very smooth. The combination of sandalwood, I can detect a little bit of woodiness, which is like sandalwood. So the combination of the sandalwood, the vanilla and the jasmine, making a very smooth ride. Okay, overall this is well blended, this is quite smooth and is sweet. The sweetness between 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest. This is around 6 to 7, so it is sweet, but it's not overly sweet, so it is quite sweet. So you need to like your sweet fragrances as well. Overall, delicious. It's very well done. It's up my alley. I love my rose, I love my saffron, and I love spicy fragrances, and also I love my oud. The only thing is, so far the oud has been very friendly and very minimalistic and in the background. For my taste, I would have loved it to have a bit of more oomph from the oud, but that's my taste. For majority of people, is actually better, because it's not overpowering, it's not overtaking, it's not funky, it's not challenging in any way or shape. So it is very friendly in a way, although it is on the acquired taste of things. You have to have an acquired taste to like this, but for majority of people, this is a friendly fragrance, is non-challenging whatsoever. It's got a little bit of fruitiness to it, but the fruits are in here is like a dry fruit rather than fresh fruit. Okay, so it's a dry fruit, and I can smell something like a stone fruit. So it could be apricot, it could be peach. It's a little bit of like combination of maybe apricot and peach in here to give it a little bit of sweetness as well as fruitiness. So again, this is you should take away from the first impression. First thing first, massive rose. Second, saffron is big and it's spicy and warm, and a little bit of cinnamon. Third, vanilla, massive, big vanilla to make it creamy and sweet in the base and lifting everything and rounding everything up. Little bit of white floral to give it a different dimension. I think it's jasmine, most likely to be jasmine. And in the base we got a little bit of patchouli, a little bit of musk, and a little bit of oud. The oud in here is very friendly, is very palatable, is universally palated, is non-challenging, is very friendly, is quite clean. The musk as well is quite clean, and the patchouli giving it a little bit of dirtiness, but not much. It's not a huge player by any means. So this is the gist of it. Definitely unisex to my nose, so either women and men can wear it easy. And but you need to be a little bit on the mature side. I would say at least 25 and up to be in the safe side, maybe even 30 and up to be in the safe side. So you need to be you need to have been around fragrances for a while to appreciate this, to wear it, to enjoy it. Secondly, the other thing is season, little bit better suited for cooler weather, but because it's got freshness to it, you can use it all year round. In winter and summer, maybe not in a very, very high heat, because then it could be cloying because it's quite sweet. But in summer, less sprays. In winter, more sprays. Right now I have 3 sprays, which is, by the way, it doesn't put that much sprays. It goes psh, psh, psh. So 3 half a sprays and it's filling the room, filling the house. So it looks like it's going to be very strong. But in the next video, I'll let you know the longevity, the development, things like that. But for a first impression, absolutely yes, yes, yes. In terms of occasion, this is very delicious. This is quite opulent. This is quite on the going out, on the special occasion, on the evening, on the close encounter, on the something like that. Okay, so it is on the opulent side. Although you can wear it casual because the price is right, under £30, it doesn't break the bank. It's, you know, it's affordable, and for the ratio for what you pay and what you get in here is amazing. You know, for the smell, smells much more expensive. It smells at least 3 to 4 times what I paid for it. I paid under £30 for this beauty. Okay guys, so if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gem. And this one is definitely a hidden gem. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes and support me that way and get something very beautiful in return, you could do that. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to do that, because the post doesn't allow me to post it anywhere else. Unfortunately, it's a big headache and a heartache for me, sadly. But if you live in the United Kingdom, or you have a family, friend, somebody who is living in the United Kingdom, you can ask them to purchase it for you, and then maybe when they travel to your part of the world, or you come here or something like that, you could do that as well. And I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker, so there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. They are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, and they are super artistic, super artistic, very beautiful and mysterious. It's like time capsule time. They take you to different places, different time, and they are very, very artistic and unique. I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.